Today at Morehouse Punboxing, I have something a little nasty going.
All your life you've been searching for somewhere to store all your precious memories of those you adore. The moments of joy and the tears, months turning the years. Back it up before it disappears into eternities.
So today it seems like we got the wrong kind of pumpkin for a Christmas kind of thing. We don't have budget, so you just have to deal with it lah. But what is this? It is floating. Why is it floating? What kind of box is this? What kind of wireless contraption is this thing? Huh? Never mind. I show you lah. So this says QNAP. Oh, the NAS company, is it? Wow, they sent me another thing today. Wow. Inside you got the black thing and this brown box, which must be for the accessories. Brown nosing ma. Okay, inside we got what? Some papers. This is what? Instructions guide, don't need. This is the warranty you want to keep properly. And finally we have this, which is I don't know what. And we have a bunch of screws, so you can screw yourself, as in screw the thing in yourself. Ayo. And then we have some cables, which I will open with such style, because I think I lacked love when I was a baby, like every Chinese kid ever. This black LAN cable is very nice. It's better than the blue LANs, and definitely better than the blue balls. Speaking of blue balls, this comes in a pair. You got two cables, presumably for you to play with each other and install in the right slot to give you the best connection to all your data. Then we have the power adapter, which will give you just the right amount of juice to power your NAS daily. Also don't forget your power cable lah. If not, your adapter will be pretty much useless. Just like this box. Finally, it is time for the big event. Although this is pretty compact, it is packed very well. Good job, QNAP. Now, is this NAS the best or is it just a mess? Let me put it to the test before you pull out your wallet and invest. This stick not bad. Boleh pakai. Wah, bangsawan, you unbox so long, I already finished berpantun loh. Ayo. Okay, show it to them. Wait, you flip like that. You very rich, is it? 2180, you simply throw. Oh, yeah ho, you very rich. Never mind lah. Pew pew. So this QNAP TS-253D is black with grey accents and is made of metal with a plastic cover at the front that you can release with a latch on the left to access two easily removable toolless hot swappable HDD bracket, but it is only toolless if you big and use the 3.5-inch HDD. If you small like everybody else and use the 2.5-inch HDD, then you need it to be screwed in. It is 168mm tall, 105mm wide, and 226mm deep. Whoa, pretty deep, huh? It is pretty light and weighs only 1.55 kilograms. That is if you haven't put in the hard drives yet. You better respect this NAS because the specs are: for the CPU, we have the Intel Celeron J4125 quad-core 2.0 GHz processor that has a 2.7 GHz boost. For the graphics processor, we have the Intel HD Graphics 600. This default configuration comes with 4GB of DDR4, but you can go up to 8GB because there are two SO-DIMM DDR4 slots. If you want the slots to work together, you must make sure that you pick the identical twins in terms of DDR4 modules. This NAS supports these three configurations in terms of storage. You also have one more PCIe Gen 2 X4 expandability slot that you can use with a PCIe adapter to give you one M.2 SSD. Next, let's talk about all the holes that come with this nasty NAS. You have 3 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports. You also have one HDMI 2.0 port that goes up to 4K at 60Hz, dual 2.5 gigabits Ethernet ports, and the Kensington security slot to keep your slot locked and secure. This QNAP TS-253D is priced at 2,180 ringgit. Very the cheap buy. It is very versatile and very small and good for small homes, small medium enterprises, as long as you don't need too much storage options but still want the good backup and security. I have been using this NAS at home for the past 6 months and it has served me very well. No hiccup whatsoever, but make sure that you buy a NAS drive like the Seagate Iron Wolf or not. If you put normal hard drive inside and you're so cheap, later your storage gone, I tell you. Don't kid. Don't be a cheapskate guy. If you buy normal hard drive, later all your data pie, you definitely will cry.